In this video, we write a program to find the nth term in the Fibonacci series. So num is equal to int input enter term def fibo of n. So first term is 0, so a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So if n is equivalent to 1, so the first term is 0, so return a. If n is equivalent to 2, second term is 1, so return b. Else for I in range 2 comma n, c is equal to a plus b, a is equal to b and b is equal to c. Return b. Print fibo of num. And the program. Enter term. Fifth term is 3. So ninth term is 21. 100th term. So thanks for watching.